In one of my earlier videos, I was distressed I couldn't find the click spring. When I took apart the click and the mainspring barrel and the drivetrain, normally there's a little spring that keeps the clicker ratchet in place, and I couldn't find it on this movement when I took the click off. And I discovered it just now. Normally, on a modern movement, the click sits in this little round hole right here, and the click spring is usually right underneath it. It's usually a circular spring underneath the click. This old movement from 1955 is made differently. This has a really long spring that starts right there and goes all the way up here, turns around, goes here, and then down into that hole. That's our click spring that I've been trying to find. And I couldn't see it because it was so small, I didn't notice it before. So I'm going to have to try to extract it out of here so that we can properly clean this bridge. And that's going to be kind of a pain to do. I'm not sure if I can get it out of here with the tweezers like this. I may have to do this off camera because I don't want this little spring flying out of here if we have, if I pull it out of here. If I lose, there it went. Now I got to figure out where it went. I got it. It actually bounced off my beard and right back onto the table. I was very lucky because if this would have landed on the floor, there's a good chance I would have never found this thing, as tiny as it is. It is about 10 millimeters long and about 2 millimeters across. So this thing is very, very small and thin.